everybody, welcome all of you to our channel IAPT Learners Hub. In this video I am going to discuss about file handling in programming language. What is file handling? Why we need files? How to manipulate files? How to naming a file? How to opening a file? How to write data to file? How to read data from the file? How to close the file? Let us discuss one by one with the proper example. Opening files in C. How to open the files in C++. To read or enter data to a file, we need to open the file first. To read the data or to write data to file, we have to open the file first. This can be performed with the help of input file stream for reading, fstream or output stream for writing and appending to a file. All these three objects have open function to be pre-built in them. Okay. To read the file or write to a file, first we have to open the file. How to open the file? This is syntax. Give the command open. Then C++ provided one command to open the file, that is open, O-P-E-N. Okay. Then within bracket give the file name and mode. Which mode we have to open? Okay. To open the file we have to take the mode out. To create and write to file we have to take the mode out. Okay. File name, we don't name the file which we want to open. Mode, the different mode open a file and explain this article. Okay. Before I have explained which are the modes. Example, fstream, new file. Okay, fstream is the class. Next, new file is the object. Okay. See, fstream is a class, so we need to create an object of this class to use its member function. The fstream class contains a lot of member functions. Member function for is there or open or to create or to read, append. All functions are included in the fstream class. Then how we can use that functions? If you want to use that functions, we have to create the object of fstream. Straight we cannot use the member function of class. With the class we cannot use any member functions or data included in that files. Okay, we have to create the object of the class. Okay, so we are given the object new file. The new file is the object of fstream. Calling with the new file, using the new file we can use the open function, read function, write function, everything we can use. Okay, because how to open the file, we have to, in the back some instructions are there to open the file. How we can take that instructions? Calling with the class name we cannot use that functions. We have to take the object of that class. Then with the object name we can use that instructions how to open the file. Okay. Here we use the out mode that allows us to open the file to write in. Okay, we have to use the mode out. Why? To open the file and write to file. Okay. A class in C+ is a user-defined data type or data structure declared with the keyword class that contains data and functions as its members. Okay. A class can be used by declaring the instance of that class, which is nothing but an object in C++. Okay, understand? After creating the object of the class only we can use the functions. Which are the functions or data contained in the class fstream? How to use that functions? How to use that data? Then first we have to create the object of that class. With the object name we can use these functions. Okay. Opening or creating files in C++. If you want to create a file, you have to take the mode out. To write content to file, you have to take the mode out mode. Okay. Then give the header files. Then take the object of the fstream. Okay. Fstream is the user-defined data type. How to write user-defined data type? With the keyword class. This is the class name. With the class name we cannot execute any functions contained in the class. If you want to execute the functions inside the fstream, we have to take the object of that class. Okay, how to create the object of that class? Give fstream give the name of the object. With the object we can execute the functions contained in the class. Then object name new file dot open, give the name of the file you want to create it, give the name, the mode is in out mode. Out mode only we can write to file. Okay, then checking whether the file is there or not. If it is not there, it will say the message file creation failed. If it is there, it will print the message new file created. Then finally we have to close the file. How to close the file? With the object we can take the function for close, new file dot close. Okay, close the, terminate the program. Okay, other way we can write the program to create the files, and write to files. Okay, first we have to add the header files, iostream.h and fstream.h header file. Then take the object for fstream. All the functions for related to files is included in the fstream. If you execute that functions, you have to take the object of the class. With the object only we can execute all the functions. Is it clear now why we are creating the object? Next, writing to files. Okay, add the two header files, include two header file, iostream and fstream. Okay, then take the object for fstream, because we have to use the functions open and write functions. Okay, to open the file and to write the content to files. So we need some instructions to do that functions. That instruction declared and defined in the class fstream. Okay, that is user defined data type. With the class name we cannot execute these functions. To execute these functions we require one object of this class. How to create this object of the class? That is, give the user defined data type of class fstream, then give the object name. Okay, with that object we can execute the functions which you have given in the class fstream. Okay, then take the object here, object is new file, give the new file dot open. With the new file we can take the functions of take the instructions of open function. Okay, open, then give the first name of the file, then mode is out mode is we can create writing to files. To write to file we have to take the mode out, then checking whether the file is not there or not. It is not there, message will print file creation failed. If it is there, new file created. Okay, then give the content you want to pass to file new file dot write. Give that message within double quotation marks with the insertion operator. That message is passes to new file write, not write. Okay, then finally to close the file, new file dot close function. Okay, once we open the file we have to close the file last, that is must. Okay, these are the steps we have to follow to write the contents to files. Next, reading from file, reading a characters from file. Here we are using reading the file by character wise. Okay, so we required one character variable, like one variable declared with the char data type. Okay, then we have to find out whether the file is end of file or not. If it reaches the end of file, loop will terminate. Okay, because number of characters are there, then we have to use the loop, while loop. First we will check whether it is end of file. If it is not end of file, we will print the character one by one. If it reaches the end of file, the loop will terminate. Okay, how to print the character from file? Give the object with the extraction operator, then take the variable ch. Okay, so we can store the letters one by one to the character variable ch, then print the variable. Without space it will print. Okay, that's why we can reading from a file. We have to do all the formalities first to last. Header, we have to include the header files, then we have to create the object for fstream, then give the open command to open the file with object name, give the open function, new file name with the mode in input mode, then checking whether the file is there or not. If it is there, it will start to printing the contents from file. Okay, if it is not there, it will say no such file. Okay, then finally we have to close the file. Okay? That is these are the steps we have to write to create a file for reading. Next, how to close a file. It is simply done with the help of close function. Okay, object name dot close function. Such a way we can close the file. Once we open the file, we have to close the file. Open the file, use the open function with the object name. Close the file, use the close function with the object name. The relation operator is dot. Okay, such a way we can close a file. Okay, hope you are clear about file handling with the proper examples. That is how to add the header files, how to create the objects, then how to use the open function, how to close the function, then how to create the file, how to write to the file, how to append to file. All these topics you are cleared. Okay, next video I will come with more examples of file handling. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe the channel, don't forget it. Okay, bye.